First question. Pashmina wool for making shawls is taken from. Right answer. Option C. Calgoat. Next question. Horticulture Department of UT Jammu and Kashmir was established in which year? Right answer. Option A. 1962. Next question. Willow bats are produced from which district of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer. Option D. Anantnag. Next question. Guyan cement factory established in which year? Right answer. Option D. 1962. Next question. In which district Kishan Ganga power project is? Right answer. Option C. Bandipora. Next question. J&K Bank was established in year? Right answer. Option B. 1938. Next question. Soft gold is associated with? Right answer. Option A. Pashmina. Next question. Most famous variety of apple in Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer. Option D. Ambri. Next question. Staple crop of J&K? Right answer. Option A. Rice. Next question. Famous handicraft of Jammu and Kashmir? राइट आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में देना है।